man and women both are in this class, irrespective of your gender. Please answer me. What are the characteristics? Only one. एक ही देना है, ज्यादा नहीं देने. पता लगा पूरी लिस्ट दे दी. What are the characteristics or what are the features of what you call as a powerful person? और इसको एक थोड़ा सा जेंडर बायस टर्म यूज करते हैं, पावरफुल मैन. किसी आदमी को आप बोलोगे ये पावरफुल है, यू से दैट ही इज पावरफुल. What is that feature in that person which make him feel or appear powerful? Which is making you to say that that man is powerful? ये आदमी है powerful. असली power ये है, इसमें है. What is that one feature or trait? Money. कि money, यश सिंगला, knowledge, influential. चुटकी बजाया सारे काम हो गए. चिराग, leadership. बहुत बढ़िया. Leadership. I have got 5 answers and 5 answers are different answers. Ardhendu, leadership. Nandini, skill. Praduman, authority. Pooja, confidence. बहुत बढ़िया. Now, I am proving my fact. Right and authority to do the work. Ashish Dhaiya, courage. Kaustubh, right of controlling others. Very good. Madan, those who are having immense confidence. Sir, I have made my point. Ravidas, physical appearance and money. वैसे तो मैंने बोला था एक ही बोलना है, चलो आपने काफी सारी चीजें दे दी. देखिए सर, I have made my point. What I had to tell you, I have told you. Vivek, influential. What I had to tell you, I have told you. Question मेरा क्या था? What are the features which make a person powerful? Why you call a person powerful? Define a powerful person. मतलब अगर आप मैंने यही लिख दिया होता है यहाँ पे कि define a powerful person. अगर मैंने ऐसे लिख दिया होता define a powerful person. ना, I am sure had you been 10 people, अगर आप 10 लोग होते, you would have given me 10 definitions of being powerful, and those definitions would have been very different from each other also. अब आप देख लो आपके सामने है. Mahima is saying confidence is power. Vivek is saying influence is power. Soumya was saying influence was power. Ravidas, physical appearance. Somebody was saying courage. Somebody was saying skill. Somebody was saying confidence. मैं बोलता हूं money, emotional control. Are these also not the trait of being powerful? But the point is that society to society, time to time, this definition has changed. In earlier times, in medieval times, being armfully power, muscle power was the trait of being powerful. When the time changed, having money was seen to be powerful. Having money was seen to be the symbol of power. With the time, having knowledge was seen to be the symbol of power. जिसके पास ज्ञान है वो powerful है. With the time nowadays, people say if you are stable, because stability is what is missing in the society. आज लोग कहते हैं कि अगर आप emotionally stable हो, you are powerful. So don't you see, there is no single definition of being powerful. Powerful होने की कोई single definition है ही नहीं. वक्त के साथ साथ इसकी definition बदलती गई. समाज की सोच बदली, definition बदल गई. The point I'm making is that there are something which cannot be defined in one line. With the time, the definition will change. With country to country, society to society, definition will change. Same is with public administration. Don't look for one definition. Definition has expanded over a time. Definition has changed over a time. आप सोचोगे कि यार why he is saying all this? I am saying all this because I know very well that once I start taking the definition, you will think, first of all he said this, now he is saying this, then he will say this. Yes, I am saying this because what is public administration? There are so many dimensions to this. There are so many definitions to them that with time, definitions have changed. And one definition may appear to be against the previously given definition. No problem. Understandings have kept on changing. So we have not to worry that there are so many definitions. Rather, this is the beauty of the subject, that there is no single definition for public administration. Rather, there are views, there are perspectives to see what is public administration. तो मैंने 2 पॉइंट बताए यहाँ पे आपको. I made 2 points. First of all, I have not even told you what PubEd is. PubEd क्या है मैंने तो आपको ये भी नहीं बताया अभी, मगर हमें अभी समझना है उसको. 2 things I wanted to tell you was this, that